Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and order on Domino's pizza application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Domino's pizza application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and order on Domino's pizza application. So basically what you need to do when you open the Domino's pizza application, you will have the big order now button, which will look like this here. And now here we say, when do you want to order, now or later? Now, of course, if you want to order now, you can click on now. If you want to schedule the order for later, you can click on later. And then of course, put in when the delivery you want to be. And then of course, select it, and that's for then. If you want to do it for now, click on now. And then here you'll have a lot of deals that you can of course order. So you have deals, pizzas, as you can see, a lot of things. Let's say we want to order something, let's say a medium pizza. You can click on select, then add it to your basket. Now it will be added to your basket. If you want to add something else, go to the basket. Here you have your basket, where of course you need to put in your add new invoice, your name, VAT number, street number, city, postal code, and everything. And of course complete the order. Put in if you're gonna pay with cash or pay with card. That's of course depending on you. And we have when the delivery will of course happen, and that's how you can actually go and do it. It is that easy, guys. That's how you can order. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.